Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce our team, which consists of first of all myself, Anisha Amedivani, from the Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program, University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Then there is Nurmalinda Kartika Dewi Santoso, Nursing Study Program, University of Muhammadiyah Semarang. And finally, Pegita Purwaningsih from the Elementary School Teacher Education, University of Muhammadiyah Purwakarta. Here we will present our research article entitled The Influence of Folklore Literacy Exploration on Student Indonesian Language Skill at Hulu Kelang Guardian Center. Without lingering, let's just start the presentation. The first is the introduction. Many Indonesian children live in Malaysia. They join their parents who work there. Many Indonesian children who live there study at Guardian Center spread across Malaysia. One of the Guardian Center in Malaysia is the Hulu Kelang Guardian Center. There are at least 45 students attending school there. The children are used to using Malaysian communicate, and the children they also like knowledge about Indonesian culture. One of them is folklore. Well, as we know, there are a lot of folklore in Indonesia. In this study, we want to improve the Indonesian language skill of children in the Hulu Kelang Guardian Center and also increase their knowledge about folklore, which in the end it leads us to the application of the habit of reading folklore and improving Indonesian language skill through this folklore. Next, the presentation will be continued by my friend.
Research objective. The study aims first to investigate and describe the impact of the use of folklore as a tool for literacy exploration on the Indonesian language skill of Sanggar Bimbingan Hulu Kelang student, and the second to provide concrete recommendation for the development of teaching method that can strengthen student language skill through a folklore approach. Research roadmap. Some previous research is also a reference in this study. Research on literacy culture has been conducted by Sari et al. 2023 in her research. Sari suggested that reading aloud has an impact on language skill. Then there is Swani et al. 2019 who suggested that reading literacy activities have a positive impact on forming student character. Then third folklore literacy activities, we went to find out if these activities can help the Indonesian language skill of students in the Guardian Center. Research methods. The study use qualitative research method. The data is in the form of word and sentence of students when speaking using Indonesian and Malaysia. The source of this research data is student involved in learning Indonesia through folklore at Sanggar Bimbingan Hulu Kelang. Data collection technique used in this study were direct observation, interview with student and teacher, testing pronunciation skill before and after export to folklore, and the data analysis technique used in this study is a flow analysis technique which consists of three lines of activities that occur simultaneously, namely data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion. Research result. During the first week of observation, data show the dominance of Malay language used by students in Sanggar Bimbingan Hulu Kelang in various situations. Students tend to use Malay in formal conversation, such as when interacting with peers and teachers, when engaging in learning activities, especially when discussing folklore. In the second week of observation, there was an increase in the use of Indonesian by students at Sanggar Bimbingan Hulu Kelang. Although Malay still dominates daily interaction, it is observed that students are beginning to integrate more Indonesian, particularly when engaging in learning activities that focus on folklore. In the third week of observation, there was a considerable improvement in the Indonesian language skill of students at Sanggar Bimbingan Hulu Kelang. Although Malay still dominates, it is observed that as students begin to experience significant development in the use of Indonesian, they begin to get used to using Indonesian in classroom conversation. You can be seen in the following table. There is an increase in the Indonesian language skills of the student at Sanggar Widens Hulu Kelang, and this is increase is quite significant.
Well, I will read the conclusion of the presentation of our article. This study aims to investigate the use of folklore in improving student Indonesian language skill at Hulu Kelang Gudia Center. Qualitative methods are used with case studies. The results show significant improvement in student Indonesian skill through a folklore approach supported by teacher rules, teaching strategies, and folklore literacy activities. This confirms that folklore literacy is effective in strengthening student Indonesian abilities. Enough presentation from us. If there is a lack, we apologize. Akhirul kalam, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.